Okay, here's the Pardo GT75. You see the transformer on the back here. So this platform goes down in the water or can raise up like this for a diving platform. You have access to storage area on the swim platform for sea bobs and other things like that. This whole aft area here is a large garage. A few steps up, you get a beautiful day bed here. And then in the cockpit, you have a U-shaped table, lovely fold-out seater, and just a very cool-looking boat. The GT75. If you want info on this boat, you can get that by going to yachtspecsdirect.com. Again, that's yachtspecsdirect.com. Access into the helm here on the port side. Notice these huge fold-down cleats, very cool. And forward on the boat, see we've got forward-facing U-shaped seating, as well as your sun pad up here. You'll note the cushions can be in either direction, so you can have it as a seat facing back or facing forward. Forward of that we have your ground tackle, and then there's nice flush cleats. And underneath the deck there is where the windlass is. Here you'll see you've got kind of an inverted forward-facing glass, and so that gives you an excellent view when you're out on the water, and really great accessibility. Over on the starboard side, you have another access here. So we're going to go in this access straight to the helm. So this is very easy to get around this boat. And here you're going to see your Volvo IPS system. So this is the integrated propulsion system. You've got a joystick here, dynamic positioning to hold it in place, as well as you can rotate the boat or drive it sideways. You've got triple Garmin multifunction displays here. And we're going to pan across into the salon. So just a beautiful salon, very stylish and modern. L-shaped seating here on the port. Beautiful table that folds out, starboard side settee, and really nice visibility. What I like here is from this angle, from the salon, you actually see straight down to the water. So the way they've done these lines is this is actually raised up a little bit, and so you don't even really see the railing, and so you'll have an infinity view when you look down to the water. So we're going to head down the companionway on the starboard, and we kind of come down to this midship area here. So what you're going to see is it's got a galley-down and a lounge. So many people socialize in the galley. This is a great concept. So we have a galley area here, as well as our lower salon hangout area. So very nice. In the island, they've got the built-in TV, absolutely huge refrigerator by Bosch. That's basically a residential style refrigerator. Combo convection microwave and oven by Miele, and a 4-burner cooktop from Miele. You've got a dual basin sink, beautiful hardware here, cutting boards that come up, and you'll see these nice stainless steel sink here. So very good. Storage below and above, very nice access. So we're going to head to the aft. And what you're going to see here is there is a dayhead area here that's accessible from the common area. And so you have a dedicated shower with infinity rain fixture, as well as a wand. Nice deep sink here, beautiful mirror, electric flush toilet. And if you want info, again, you can get that at yachtspecsdirect.com. So here we're going to head back to the master. So midship, we've got the master. Nice vanity there. Beautiful TV, king-size berth, slightly offset from the center line, and then nice large closet area here. Beautiful. So why they offset the master bed slightly is because you have your ensuite right here. Note the hall side windows and the settee here with storage and beautiful leather. And then we're going to walk into our master head here. So really great shower there with a teak bench in it. Definitely like the look and feel of this. And you see just the nice, very nice woodwork there for the teak bench, and then teak up above. There's that infinity shower fixture with nice hardware down below. And the infinity shower fixture has LEDs in it as well. Okay, here is the electric flush toilet. Nice deep basin sink. Oh, you're fine, you're fine.